Welcome to Paris 47. The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Viktor Novikov basking in the spotlight, while Dalia Margolis hosts the heavily guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Step right in, sir. Enjoy your evening.
Look, there he is. That's Novikov, the owner of St. Louis, right there.
Congressman Walsh. A pleasure as always. Make sure to join Dahlia and I for a drink later. There's someone we would like you to meet. Now, hold on.
Look, Daniel, she's nice.
Well, I don't know. They're so thin looking.
Oh my God, they know, okay? They know what we're up to. They've caught Haley and we're next.
And if I have to physically move your pelvis back and forth and in and out, and God help me, Sophie.
Got 200 jobs on the line. Not for me, doing for them.
Invite only, sir. All right, good job, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Please come in. I hope you enjoy yourself. So, I was in the bathroom before, and and I heard these guys talking about an auction or something up on the second floor. What the hell is that about?
It's probably some kind of charity event. Yeah, rich people bidding on things.
Oh, wow. Never knew this stuff was so complicated.
Hey, buddy, you want to leave that alone?
Novikov asked me to fetch it for him. Wants to trigger the fireworks himself.
All